She's in the Philippines working on her visa. It's been getting denied. So if anybody out there can help with the visa process, I greatly appreciate it.
In March, Bynum married his wife, Lelaine, in the Philippines.
Overflowing with joy to witness the holy marriage beginning for Nick and Vanessa.
Talaga namang nakakabighani ang gandang Pilipina. Kaya naman, hindi lang mga kababayan nating Pilipino ang nambibighani, lalong-lalo na ang mga ibang lahi. Sa video episode na ito, pag-uusapan natin ang ating mga kababayan na hindi lamang basta nakahanap ng AFAM, kundi mga international celebrity pa ito, maging sa larangan ng palakasan o sa Hollywood. Patunay na pagsausaping most beautiful faces sa mundo, nasa taas ang mga Pilipina.
I seem to have forgotten my wallet. I don't know how I'm going to pay you.
Oh, that's very bad news.
Is there any other way we could work this out?
I'm sure we can think of something. What's the matter?
It's just my wife.
Kilalanin natin si Stefania de la Cruz, isang Filipina-American na dating actress at model. Asawa siya ni Kevin James, ang Hollywood celebrity actor na bumida sa ilang mga comedy films na gaya ng Grown Ups 2 at Pixel. Nagkakilala ang dalawa mula sa isang blind date noong 2001 at nauwi nga sa kasalan noong 2004.
The lumpia and the food and this and that from the family is just doing wonders for my figure and I love it.
Narito ang ilan pa sa mga nasa listahan. Ituloy mo ang kwento. Pasok, voice over.
Starts with my wife and her family. You know, being married to a Filipina is a fantastic thing. My love for Filipino food has gone through the roof. 'Cause you're like a dream come true.
Brian Kelly McKnight, born June 5, 1967, is an American singer, songwriter, actor, record producer, and multi-instrumentalist. McKnight is most recognized for his strong falsetto and belting range. His work has earned him 16 Grammy Awards nominations. In 2014, he began dating Dr. Leilani Mulia Mendoza, Filipino-American, whose family hails from Plaridel, Bulacan, and they announced their engagement in May 2017.
We tried out rings for a while, so for the last couple of years we've had that. So this morning when we were coming here, she was like, I can't find my ring, I can't find my ring. I was like, oh, I think I saw it over here. So I went to another part of the suite and I grabbed it, and when she turned around, I had it.
Oh my gosh. I love it. Did he catch you off guard?
Completely.
Completely.
Yes, I'm still crying.
Oh, you're going to make me cry. I love this. Congratulations to you. This is wonderful.
On December 29, 2017, McKnight and Mendoza got married.
So I've learned a lot in this last year. We're about to have our 1-year anniversary at the end of the month, and now being a part of the family, I've learned some things about pancit, adobo, and in the mornings longanisa, and because she's part Hawaiian as well, then it's spam and eggs and some rice. I've learned some words that she said that I would have to know, so when I'm about to go on camera, I always have to check for my kalangat. Make sure there's nothing in there. And some other things I'm not going to share with you.
Willie Lee McCovey, nicknamed Stretch, Mac, and Willie Mack, was an American professional baseball player. He played in Major League Baseball as a first baseman from 1959 to 1980, most notably as a member of the San Francisco Giants. Willie McCovey and Estela Behar met in 2010, when she worked as his rehab nurse while he was recovering from his 4th back surgery. He had already been wheelchair-bound by the time they met. They were married at the Giants ballpark on August 2, 2018. Cameron Bynum is an American football safety for the Minnesota Vikings of the National Football League. He played college football for the California Golden Bears and was selected by the Vikings in the 4th round of the 2021 NFL Draft.
Hopefully somebody from the inside at the big office of the whole United States can get something done, but I'm just being patient but super grateful for everybody willing to help.
Bynum says
Lalani Bynum lives in the Philippines, where Cameron's mother is from and where he spends most of his off-season. Cameron and Lalani met there and got married in March. Because of their unusual situation, her tourist visa application denied.
Cam reached out to our office several months ago. Everything that we can to help to resolve that issue, at least get his questions answered. And this is what we do for every...
But thanks to Bynum's passionate post-game interview, and with help from their legal team and both of Minnesota's U.S. senators, Lalani was able to obtain a spouse visa.
Thanks to y'all, Mike is here. All glory to God. Now let's go ball, baby. Woo!
And some special moments there. Bynum in his third season now in the NFL was drafted by Minnesota in 2021. He's played in all 3 seasons, but because of those visa challenges, this was the first game that she was able to watch Cam play in the NFL.
Of our bumps. And I know these things because my wife is Asian. She's Filipino. All right, well, okay, so that explains it. Now you know why you see me at all those Filipino events. I'm not there picking up pussy, I'm dropping some off.
Siya naman, si David Carey Weber Chappelle. Isang American stand-up comedian. Bumida na din siya sa ilang mga Hollywood movies. Alamat na din itong si Dave. Dahil meron lang naman siyang 6 na Emmy Awards at 3 Grammy Awards. Pero, ang pinaka-achievement na award ay ang makapangasawa ng Pilipina. Tama ba mga kaproud? Comment mo nga at pag-usapan natin.
Where did you get this girlfriend?
In Brooklyn.
In Brooklyn, is that right?
Yeah, I met her in New York.
You can't, she's not a white chick, is she?
No.
That would look bad. Eddie Murphy and all them would...
No. She's Filipino, which is like neutral.
Oh, Filipino?
Yeah.
Ang very supportive Filipina wife ni Dave Chappelle ay si Elaine Mendoza. Sila ay 20 years ng kasal.
Who's that? That's Neil Adams. What does she do? What does she do? Man!
Si Ruby Neelam Adams, o mas kilala bilang Neil Adams, ay ipinanganak sa Maynila noong 1932. Siya ay Filipina-American, actress, singer, at dancer. Bumida na siya sa mahigit 20 pelikula at serye sa telebisyon noong dekada 50 hanggang dekada 90. Noong 1956 ay nakilala at napangasawa niya ang Hollywood icon na si Steve McQueen. Ngunit hindi nagtagal at nagdiborsyo rin noong 1972.
And also Steve McQueen, your first husband, who was also a huge star.
Yeah.
And of course, you're a huge star.
Maraming salamat sa panonood at kung meron man tayong nakalimutan sa listahan, i-comment mo na para ma-feature natin sa susunod na video. At syempre, huwag mong kakalimutang mag-subscribe at notification on mo na rin yan para updated ka sa susunod pa nating mga proud Filipino Moments videos. Hanggang sa muli, paalam!